Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, during this video, I'm going to walk you through how to apply a tourist visa to travel to Algeria. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant, nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, whenever it comes to apply any visa for any country, you should always check the requirements or process based on the official entity that covers your residential place. Because based on your locality or place of residence, there could be additional documents, additional steps, additional fee. And based on other visas or any other factor you may or may not have, you may not need a visa. Okay. So let's say you are an Indian citizen living in New Delhi. So I have opened this Embassy of Algeria in New Delhi. You need to do as per your location. If you go to Consular Affairs, they have this visa section. Here they have clear instruction. So the applicants have to apply themselves physically. Okay. They have given the timing and visa collection time also they have given. Processing time also they have given. They have not designated any intermediate agency to take this part of issue visa issuance. So they have warned people about this. Okay, for tourist visa, your original passport with a validity of 6 months, two copies of visa application form duly and fully completed, typed online and signed. Original signature is required on each page. Okay, two recent passport size photograph, hotel reservation and copy of return airfare, dates of entry and exit. Okay. Valid travel insurance, guarantee of sufficient funds for the visit, bank statement of 6 months. Okay, so like very basic documents they have asked. Of course, like if you're going for if you have a friend over there who you are gonna stay with them, then get a letter from them. Okay, if you don't want to provide hotel reservation like that. Okay, now let's go for the visa application form. Okay, so you have to type. So I'm just writing. I'm just like doing sample. Maiden name if you have, other name if you have, date and place of birth. So first date comes. So I'm just putting sample. You do as per your case. At father's name, I'm just writing sample. Marital status, whatever. Present nationality, nationality at birth, address, phone number. I don't need to type here. You can do it yourself. Husband, wife. So this section only if applicable. If you are single, then probably this is not gonna be valid for you. Same for children. If valid, provide that. Type of document, ordinary passport, passport number, issue date of issue, authority, expire on. So these details will be available on your passport. Okay. Single entry, multiple, or second entry, multiple entry. So if you go into this visa section, they have given the fee. Single entry for 30 days, this much. Visa for all categories for 90 days, this much. So let's say you're going for single entry, then we'll go for this. Your occupation, whatever it is, you provide that. Company address, you can provide. Phone number, you can provide. Okay. In case of transit, so this is you are not doing transit, so no problem. Address during your stay, purpose of use. Yeah, this is very important. If you are going for tourism, provide that. Length of stay, date of entry. Remember, processing time 7 days, right? So make sure you consider that when you apply. Have you already been to Algeria? No. Address, like let's say you have booked the hotel address, so you can book the hotel address. If you have a friend place, that you can do. Okay. And then you need to uh, okay, all categories must be completed in capital letters. Okay. So I think at some, yeah, here I did a mistake. Apologize. I must change it to no. Anywhere else I have done this mistake? No, all other places I have done it correct. Okay, date and sign. This is for official use, not to worry about that. Okay, now let's come to here. How you're gonna pay in rupees in for Indian citizen, like you're going for single entry. So this is gonna be the fee. Bank draft payable to the Embassy of Algeria, New Delhi. Okay, so make sure you go with the draft, and that's it. If things work out in your favor, it's gonna be good. And remember, they have asked for 2 copies of visa application form, and you need to sign on both pages. Okay, means both forms you need to sign. Okay, so that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.